Okay, guys, so we're doing an unboxing video today of this thing. So I'm not going to say what it is because you can probably read it. So without further ado, for all you French viewers out there, let's chop this open. First thing I see is this thing, whatever that is. I'm guessing it's a wrench for your abrasion blade thing. So tightening the bolt on that. Owner's manual. Styrofoam. And the meat and potatoes. Not much to it. Just pull this out of here. Wrapped in a little bag. Ooh.
Pretty.
Okay. That's all that's in the box.
Kawasaki green.
There she is. Alright. So, yeah, that's about it. That's about all that's in the box. So,
Chop saw.
I guess we can cut this little cord thing here. This stupid the box cutter will work. There. It looks like there's a little button thing you push down here, maybe? I'm not sure. How does this work? If I read the instructions, I could probably know.
You think?
Twist it. Pull it. Oh, there we go.
Yay!
Okay. Just like that.
The boom.
So yeah, my new metal chop-off saw. They're $99.95 at Home Depot or Tractor Supply. So there's some free advertising. Yeah, 14-inch blade. There it is.
Ugly.
So when are you going to use it for the very first time,
I don't
Mr.
know.
Auger?
I don't know. Whenever.
Oh, whoops, this is your bad one.
Yeah, that's basically it.
Cover your mouth.
You got this thing here that you can adjust.
To hold
Lift that thing up.
whatever you're chopping. Angle iron,
Cousin, look what you did.
pipe.
Give me the block. Give me the block. Give me the block.
I'm sure, because you were pulling it.
Say this is your piece of metal. You stick it in there like so. Say I want to cut it precisely there. You push this thing up to it, flip it down, tighten it down if you need to. It doesn't go anywhere, and bombs away. That's about it. You can also, this thing turns, there's a little nut on there that you can loosen, and you can turn it to your 45-degree angle, so that if you wanted to cut it at an angle like this as opposed to 90-degree angle, you can just adjust this piece here. It'll angle this way. Of course, this oscillates, so it'll match your angle, so you can hold your piece of metal in the workplace. And it'll basically cut anything that like 5 inches or so, 5 inches by, you know, whatever will fit in here.
Nice.
Yeah, that's about it.
Awesome.
Oh.
That's it.
Yeah, that's it.
What kind of fuel do you put in this Kawasaki? Get out of the way.
Electric fuel.